The best tech 2025, prepare to be amazed. If you're upgrading your digital life, these gadgets are absolute game changers. We've found the year's most innovative tech, packed with incredible performance and shocking advancements. Don't wait, grab these must-have items early via links in the description below. Number 1. Apple iPhone 16 Pro. This device fundamentally redefines smartphone capabilities with its groundbreaking camera and revolutionary A19 Bionic chip. It offers unparalleled speed and AI integration, completely changing how you interact with your world. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Forget everything you knew about smartwatches. This watch introduces advanced health monitoring, including real-time blood glucose tracking, making it a truly indispensable, life-changing companion. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. Experience audio like never before with Sony's latest noise-canceling marvel. Breathtaking sound quality and intelligent adaptive noise cancellation create pure bliss for any audiophile. Number 4. PlayStation 6. Dive into the next generation of gaming. The PS6 pushes boundaries with hyper-realistic graphics and lightning-fast loading, offering an immersive experience that will leave you speechless. Number 5. DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone compacts professional-grade aerial photography into a portable package. Its enhanced obstacle avoidance and stunning 8K video capabilities make capturing cinematic shots easier for everyone. These incredible gadgets are truly shaping the future of technology. Experience the future today. Like and subscribe for more top tech reviews.